In the chapter number 2, we have to discuss in the 10th classes. So chapter number 2 is magnetic effect of conductor. This is the chapter number 2, and we have to discuss in the chapter 2, we have to discuss various terminologies also. So now we have to discuss what is the basic characteristics of magnetic fields, properties of magnetic field lines. So first property we have to discuss here. Suppose we have a bar magnet. This is a bar magnet. This is called bar magnet. And this bar magnet is rectangular section magnet, which is made of Fe over L. Simple bar magnet is a simple magnet which is in rectangular cross section, and this is given that this is made up of FeCO and Ni atoms, and there are two poles here. Every magnet has two poles. Every magnet has two poles. First is N pole and another is S pole. Every magnet has two poles. First pole is known as N pole and the second magnet is known as S pole. So we have to see that there are the basic discussions of the NS pole. Always remember that magnetic field lines is originated from N pole. This is our N pole. N means north pole. This is N north pole. North pole is N. And this is our south pole, S pole. So we have to first introduce that the magnetic field lines is always originated from the north pole. It means this is our bar magnet, this is our N pole and this is our S pole. Magnetic field lines is originated from north pole here. This is our north pole and magnetic field lines originated from the north pole. And intersect south pole, outside the magnet. Outside the magnet from the north pole, magnetic field lines are originated from the north pole. This is our north pole. And the arrow of the field lines is always away from the north pole because the magnetic field lines originated from the north pole. And this enters in the south pole outside the magnet. Outside magnet, and inside the magnet, it travels from south to north. This is the basic property. We have to remember that magnetic field lines are originated from the north pole and enters in the south pole. It is occurs in the outside of the magnet, and inside the magnet it goes from south to north pole. Inside the magnet, it travels from south pole to the north pole. This is the first basic property of the magnetic field lines of a bar magnet. In a bar magnet, it is a simple magnet. It is in rectangular cross section and which is made up of Fe, Ni and nickel. Every magnet has two poles. First is north pole and another is south pole. N means north pole and S means south pole. This is the first basic properties of a bar magnet. So we have to discuss the first basic property of the bar magnet. So after the next discussion, we have to discuss the second basic property. Magnetic field lines always form a closed loop. So this is the second property. Magnetic field lines always form a closed loop. This is the second basic property. Here magnetic field lines is always form a closed loop, and this is the magnetic field properties. This is the magnetic field line properties. So we have to discuss now the second basic property of magnetic field lines. First basic property of the origination, and the second basic property which is dealing with magnetic field lines always form a closed loop. So this is the basic property.